What's up, guys? So I'm doing my clutch tomorrow on the E46 at my buddy Jared's place. So I just started off by tearing off the exhaust and some of the cross members under there, and just the one main heat shield that separates like the exhaust from the drive shield, from the drive shaft basically. And it sounds pretty gnarly now because the exhaust is cut off right under here. So I'll just give you guys a few revs, keep you guys updated here. If you're wondering why it sounds lopey too and it sounds like it has a cam, it's because I put regular gas in and it misfires at idle. Apparently if you put premium in, it'll solve that. But until I do my clutch, no point for me in putting premium in. This is just a drift beater for me. Oh, forgot to tell you guys as well, I painted these grills this weekend, just sanded them down, painted them black, and I think they look much better now. Okay, so we're gonna give you guys a 0 to 60 now with the old clutch, just to show you guys how much it slips, and then hopefully once the new clutch is broken in, we'll do another one and I'll compare them and see. So here we go. She blows. I don't really shift this thing that hard ever because it just slumps into the next gear and wears the clutch even more, so that's probably the quickest I've shifted this thing since I bought it. Very half-assed burnout attempt. I see headlights everywhere. I get a little spooked out. They like it? She was looking like, what's wrong with you? Lots. I'm loving this exhaust note. Come on, buddy, it's a free flow. Come on, you're wrecking my clip. Dog. It's called a free flow. There's that slipping clutch. Nasty downshifts. Favorite corners right there. All right, that's it for today. Just a quick check-in. I'm gonna get the clutch done tomorrow, like I said. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it gets done tomorrow. And then we'll have to break that clutch in. And after that, then we can send some second gear drifts and have some more fun with the car. There it is, just a little check-in. Let you guys know I'm still alive. Hope you're all doing well and had a good Easter. That's all. Bye-bye.